We just got this adjustable pull-out refrigerator drawer that comes in a set of 3. They are BPA free and each one holds up about 15 pounds. Each basket measures 14 by 62 by 8 by 4.6 inches and it can extend up to 26 inches deep. Now we are using these baskets in our refrigerator, but you can also use them inside the cabinets or even inside the pantry as well. These are very simple to install, super easy to use, and they look really nice inside the refrigerator or inside the cabinet or the pantry as well. And that's pretty much it for this adjustable pull-out refrigerator drawer that comes in a set of 3.